How to unblock someone on Roblox on your phone. When playing online games, you'll find a lot of trolls and toxic players. And blocking them can be a powerful tool to shield yourself from negativity and maintain a positive gaming experience. But if you've blocked someone in the heat of the moment and you realize that you want to give them a second chance, that's where unblocking comes in. To unblock someone, tap on the three dots on the bottom right corner of the screen and navigate to Settings. Tap on Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom to see the option to show your blocked users. Tap on Show and you will see a list of people you have blocked, as well as an unblock button for each. Tap the unblock button next to the username you want to unblock. This will instantly unblock the user unless there is a pin, in which case, you will have to disable the pin feature first. To do that, go back to Settings and tap on Parental Controls. Toggle off the parent pin and enter the pin. Now you can try to unblock the person again. You have successfully unblocked the user, and the blocked section disappeared because there is no more blocked user. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.